Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope so that all are you happy and well. So in today's video today we are making something super cute and colorful felt flowers and a matching garland. First, grab your favorite felt sheet. I am using pink, yellow and green. Cut small circle for petals and fold them in half. Glue them edges to give them a nice petal shapes. Make about 5 petals for each flowers. Now cut a small round pieces of felt as a base. Glue all the petals in a circle and add a button or pearl in the center for that perfect finish. Your beautiful felt flower is ready. Let's turn this into a garland. Cut small leaves from green felt and glue them along a stitch. Now attach your flowers one by one with hot glue. Space them evenly, and there you go. You just made a stunning garland that you can hang in your room, use for parties, decoration, or even gift someone. Viewers, cut small circle of felt, fold them in half and glue them edges. Attach them to felt base and your flowers are ready, perfect for warts, hair clips or gifts. Warping. Let's make a felt keychain. Cut your favorite shapes, heart, star or cloud, swing and glue the edge. Add a little stuffing and attach a keyring. A cute and super gift idea for friends. Felt bookmark. Make your reading time extra special with felt bookmark. Cut long strip and add shapes like heart or flowers on top. You can stitch them for a classical look or just glue for quick result. Perfect for book lovers. Felt coaster. Die felt coaster are quick and practical. Cut out round or square shapes from thick felt. Layer 2 colors together for a fine look. This coaster protect your table and looks so pretty. If you try this craft, don't forget to share your creative with me in comment, and if you enjoy this video, hit like.